Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to check 3 kitchen items on the basis of acidic and basic. The indicator was hibiscus paper. So first we can check vinegar. We dip. If the color is turns red, means it is acidic. If the color turns blue, mean it is basic. Its color is red, meaning it is acidic. Second, we took a detergent powder. Detergent powder is also kitchen item because it is used to clean utensils. Oh, its color turns into blue, meaning it is basic. Third, we took curd. We dip into. Its color is also red, meaning it is acidic. So these two are acidic nature and this one is basic nature. Thank you guys.